Hi, guys. Today, we'll learn a basic operation in video editing. It helps you cut out the boring, irrelevant or unwanted part in a video. Generally, there are two situations in video cutting. First, keep the middle part. Second, cut out the middle part. Let's go and see how to make it. At first, you need to open EasyVideo Maker. Add the video you want to cut by clicking the plus. Drag it down to the video line directly. And then right-click the video to find Cut Selected Item. Next, you'll see an UI which is seemingly complicated but easy to operate. This is a cutter function cutting videos accurately frame to frame. Move the yellow cursor line and you'll see the image is changing. This is the image corresponding to where the yellow cursor line stops. The first situation, keep the middle part. You can click the play button. And then stop at the start of the segment you want to keep. Or you can just move the yellow cursor line to define the approximate location. But if it is not accurate, you need to click Previous Frame or Next Frame to adjust finally. Or you can directly click here to change the time. Once you find the accurate frame, move the left bracket to the place where the yellow cursor line stops. Next, move the yellow cursor line to stop at the end of the part you want to keep. Adjust to find a more accurate time point. After that, move the right bracket to the place you stopped. Finally, you'll see the duration of the video segment you want to keep is in the right bottom box. The plus at the top of the box means adding a new segment. This one means deleting a single segment. This one means deleting all segments. And these two means exchanging the order. Then, you can click Preview to check it. Or just click OK to save the changes. The second situation, cut out the middle part. Actually, you just need to keep the beginning segment and the end segment. The middle part will be cut out naturally. First, keep the beginning part. Move the yellow cursor line to define the approximate location. And then adjust to find a more accurate time point. It is the start of the video segment you want to cut out, but also the end of the video segment you want to keep. Therefore, you need to keep the left bracket at the very beginning. And move the right bracket to the yellow cursor line. Next, click plus in the left bottom box to add a new segment. Then, repeat the former operations to keep the end part. These are the segments you want to keep. Then, click Preview to check it. or click OK to save the changes. Finally, click Render to save it. Let's call it a day. Thanks for your watching. If you find it interesting, free to share with others.